Welcome back to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be making a quick Jamaican style breakfast. I felt this morning for some tin mackerel grace. Big up yourself in hot sauce. So I gathered all my seasonings, bell pepper, onions, a little garlic, some pepper, and I added my already prepared tin mackerel in a little olive oil, and I'll be making some fried dumplings. I have a video on my YouTube channel already on how I knead the dough, measurements and all that. This was just a quick husband breakfast this morning. Yes, surprise the husband, surprise the family, but most of all, surprise yourself first. Okay? Because you come first. God come first and then you're next in line. So make sure you take care of you because no one else will take care of you. Added me a little black pepper, a little vinegar because that's my business. No, I added some plantains on the side. However, they weren't too ripe. So they were more on the toastone side where they were like medium to ripe on the side, and a little avocado. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell, give the video a like. It is free. The finger button is to the left bottom of the screen. Drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. Interact with me so I can get to know you all better. Did my plantains, quick and easy to fry, a Jamaican, and I used coconut oil to fry my plantains because it's a little healthier, although fried foods is not good. I kneaded my dough so quickly. I did not show you how, but you just want to form them into little rolls. If you can't knead it, just roll it in your hand and then eat your oil. You want to get it not too hot to burn the dumplings, but put it in medium to hot heat. Not too hot, make sure it's on medium. Knead your dough, and you can check out my Jamaican breakfast playlist to see how I made these dumplings. Thank you for subscribing and setting your notification bell. So there is my oil. It is not too hot, not too cold. And this was a quick breakfast for two. I was like starving. I was like so hungry. Once they start to change color, you just want to flip them over. I normally use the fork to like bore holes in it. So pocket holes allows the heat to seep through and to get the flour done. Look at your girl fried dumplings. And you will see at the end, I dished breakfast for two. And I also showed you what the inside of these fried dumplings, fried bakes, wherever you're watching from, whatever you choose to call it. There goes a quick Jamaican style breakfast in America. I'll be trying for November to give more content as often as I get an opportunity to do so. Stay tuned. Don't forget to give the video likes. Don't forget to drop comments. Let me know where you're watching from. And most of all, don't forget to set your notification bell. A lot of you haven't set that notification bell. And I do intend to go live each Saturday night or early Sunday morning. So set your notification bell and come chat with your girl Shelly, Jamaicans Pickle, and check out my lifestyle videos. Look at my breakfast. Thank you. See you soon in another video. Hit that subscribe notification, drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. Bye.